Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide photos on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the top right and click on see all profile, and then you need to click on photos, and then you need to go into the albums. So here you can see my all photos. So let me select any photo, and then you need to click on three dots here, and then you need to click on edit post audience. And if your post audience is public, that is anyone on or off Facebook can watch this, you simply need to select only me and click on done. So this is the process by which you can hide photos on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.